Before we begin today's video, I want to share with you once again a few picks from Dossier. Now, you have heard me talk about this brand a few times now over the past couple months and share a few picks that I've picked up from them. And I got to tell you, this is one of my favorite brands that I've found in 2021 because they are offering those awesome fragrances that we all love and enjoy for a price that we can all love and enjoy even more. This time I picked a few things that I plan to gift to a few family members for Christmas this year. And if I'm being honest, I got one just for myself because sometimes you got to treat yourself to something nice. For the gifts though, I got the aquatic peony here that's based on Giorgio Armani's Acqua di Gioia. I cannot say that for the life of me, but it is based on that one from Armani. And we have the citrus neroli here based on Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino. And I really think they both are going to make for some awesome gifts this year for some family members. And then, as I said, a little gift for myself here. I picked up a candle that is scented with the aromatic star anise, which is based on the always amazing Salvage from Dior, one of my personal favorite fragrances. All three were awesome picks, if I do say so myself, and I cannot recommend this brand Dossier enough. They got great fragrances at even greater prices. I highly suggest you check them out. A link will be in the description for you, so head on over there, check them out if you're interested. Now though, on to today's episode.